Hey guys, so I have some amazing news. This one is for all my customers that's based in Jamaica that wants to purchase wholesale sheets from me, right? So guess what? I don't have to worry on yourself no more. I understand, so now fret or not go pay for them something when them for come true. So because I've partnered with Honorable Shipping, guess what? They're gonna take care of you. No worry yourself, babes. Foxy got you. Big up Honorable Shipping for partnering with me on this. You know what I mean? Because each one help one. We have help out to Jamaican people. So guys, now you can reach out to me. Sort out the order. You don't know, we have the good, nice quality sheets. We have the Burberry sheets. We have everything. We have the pillar them. We have wholesale price on every single thing. Alright, so what you need to do, just reach out to me. Reach out to me on any one of my platforms and let us talk some business. And as I said, Foxy got you. Honorable Shipping is gonna take good care of you. Once you mention Foxy or Foxy's House of Luxuries, you're gonna get some good deals. Alright guys, so reach out to me and let's get the business up and running, because they don't know the people in my Jamaica want shit like crazy. I'm gonna ask you, Foxy, my name, and I know say me said the good things them, the luxury things them, no foolishness to the house, no bag of foolishness to the house and the bedroom. You're crazy? No girl. So reach out to Foxy Boo and make we get the business up and running.